This semi-modern two-story, five-bedroom, four-bathroom home located in the peaceful community of Georges Valley, Manchester, Jamaica offers a spacious layout and strong potential for customization and value appreciation. Ideal for a large family or investor, this property combines generous living space with the opportunity to complete renovations to your personal taste. The home features a well-designed structure with multiple living areas, a functional kitchen space, and 5 comfortably sized bedrooms spread across both floors. With 4 bathrooms already in place, the property provides excellent convenience for large households or potential rental use. The layout allows for flexible living arrangements, including the possibility of creating separate units or guest accommodations. While the property requires some renovation work, it already offers a solid foundation and semi-modern design elements that can be enhanced to create a stylish and contemporary residence. With the right upgrades, this home can be transformed into a standout family residence or income-generating investment property. Located in Georges Valley, the property enjoys a cool, quiet setting with easy access to Mandeville, schools, shopping, and essential services. The surrounding community is established and offers a peaceful residential atmosphere with strong long-term value. This is a rare opportunity to secure a large home in Manchester with significant potential to add value through renovation and personalization.